Welcome to the English Podcast channel. Hello again. Welcome back. I'm really glad you are still here with me. Maybe now you feel more comfortable listening to English. Maybe you understand more than before. Even a little progress is very good. So today, we will continue with more real-life English, more natural conversations, and a longer story. Gentle start. Before we begin, let's check in again. What are you doing right now? Are you sitting, lying down, or maybe walking? Where are you? At home? At work? Outside? Try to answer in English. I am blank right now. I am at, for example, I am sitting on my bed. I am at home listening to this podcast. Good. Just simple sentences. Topic 10. Everyday conversations. Now let's practice real-life conversations. These are situations you can use every day. Situation 1. At a coffee shop. Imagine you go to a coffee shop. The staff asks, "Hi, what would you like?" You can answer, "I would like a coffee, please." Or, "Can I have a latte?" Very simple. Small talk. Sometimes people also say, "How are you today?" You can say, "I'm good, thank you. I'm a little tired, but I'm okay." That sounds natural and friendly. Practice. Now you try. What would you like? Answer it out loud. Situation 2. Shopping. Now imagine you are in a shop. You want to ask for something. You can say, "Excuse me, where is this? Do you have this in a different size?" Example, "Excuse me, do you have this in a bigger size?" Very useful. Practice. Try to say, "Excuse me, where is the blank?" You can use bathroom, food, clothes. Situation 3. Talking on the phone. Talking on the phone can feel a little difficult, but we can keep it simple. Example, "Hello? Hi, this is Honey. Can I talk to you for a moment?" Practice. Repeat. "Hi, this is blank." Say your name. Topic 11. Asking questions naturally. Asking questions is very important in English. Common questions. What are you doing? Where are you going? How was your day? What do you think? Example, "How was your day?" You can answer, "It was good. It was a little busy. It was okay, nothing special." Practice. Answer this. How was your day today? Try to use a full sentence. Topic 12. Longer story. Now, let's listen to a longer story. Just relax and listen. You don't need to understand everything. Story. A day that felt different. One day, I woke up feeling a little strange. Not sick, not tired, just different. I looking at my phone, but I didn't want to check anything. So on the down and I sat quietly for a moment. Then I decided to do something simple. I went outside for a walk. At first, nothing felt special. Just the same street, the same people, the same sounds. But after a few minutes, something changed. I started to notice the things, the sound of birds, the wind moving the trees, the light from the sun. Everything felt slow, peaceful. I wasn't thinking about my products anymore. I was just walking and breathing and looking around. Then I realized something. Sometimes we don't need big changes to feel better. Sometimes we just note down and notice what is already around us. That day didn't look special, but for me, it felt very important. Reflection. What do you think about this story? Have you ever had a day like that? A day that starts normal but becomes special in a quiet way? Vocabulary practice. Let's look at some words. Strange, different, unusual. Notice, to see or quiet. Please, society. To I realized that blank is of important. Example, I realized that rest is important. Now you try. Topic 13. Expressing feelings more about feelings. Simple expression. I feel a little stressed. I feel a little tired today, so a with to rest. I feel happy because of a good day. Practice. Try to say, I feel blank because blank. Take your time, slow concept. Let's slow your time. Take a need to rush. All right, we will stop. You are doing really well. Listening this again and naturally, then the next part, we will go deeper your dialogues, talking about past experiences, more emotional storytelling. Thank you of staying with me. Relax, will friendly. Hello again. Welcome back. I'm really happy you are still here with me. That means you are practicing step by step, and that's exactly how you improve. Today, we are going to talk a little deeper. We will practice real conversations, talk about the past, and listen to a more emotional story. Don't worry, we will still keep everything simple and clear. Gentle check-in. Before we begin, how do you feel right now? Maybe calm, maybe a little tired, maybe just normal. Try to say it. I feel blank right now. For example, I feel relaxed. I feel a little sleepy. Good. Very simple. Topic 14. Real-life dialogue. Friends talking. Now, let's listen to a longer, natural conversation. Imagine two friends talking. I will say both parts, and you just listen. Dialogue. Meeting a friend. Hey, long time no see. Yeah, it's been a while. How are you? I'm good, just a bit busy these days. Same here. Work has been really busy. Do you have time this weekend? Maybe. I think I'm free on Sunday. Let's meet then. Yeah, that sounds good. Understanding. This is a very common conversation. Simple, natural, and friendly. Practice. Now you try repeating. Long time no see. It's been a while. I'm a bit busy these days. Say them slowly. Topic 15. Talking about the past. Now let's talk about the past. This is very important in English. Simple past examples. Yesterday, I stayed at home. I watched a movie. I talked to my friend. My accent. Yesterday, I didn't do anything special. I stayed at home, I listened to music, and then rested. It was a simple day, but you are enjoyed it. Practice. Now your try. Yesterday, I blank. He can say, let's listen to a super about the past. A rainy day memory. I remember one day it was raining all the day. I didn't have any plans, and I felt a little bored at first. So then outside, and I looked outside the window. The rain was falling slowly, and everything looked quiet. At first, I decided to make some tea. I sat down and started doing the music. After a while, I actually felt cold day taught me something simple. Even happens, we can still enjoy the moment. Do you remember a rainy day like that? What try to say? I blank. Beginnings. What's apps? From of remember means think about the past. Bore means nothing of to do, not arrow, being yourself. Comfortabout, right arrow, feeling relaxed and okay. Practice. Try. I blank, example, because of I talked to my friend. You try. Topic 17, longer conversation practice. Let's try a longer conversation. Talking about yesterday. How was your day yesterday? It was okay. Oh really? You do. That sounds past. Yet to do you yesterday. Talking to Sens 18. About experiences. Today, let's talk about experiences. Doing sentences. I about together before. About I have doing this. At experience. Experience. I have beef never. You your try past week. Just your God with the won't. Someone. Your today. Will stop you for today. Doing something very important. Learning slowly, not the patient, and you quite deeper. Talking for being your time. Your will talk to you again.